AI isn't coming. It's already here, and it's smarter than ever. From wearables to home tech, these 10 futuristic gadgets are turning science fiction into your daily reality. You're about to see what everyone will be using in 2025. And trust me, you're not ready.
All right, I'm in.
Knew it!
Starting strong, meet the Hidu P1. It looks like a voice recorder, but it's more like having a genius assistant in your ear. It listens, transcribes, filters noise, summarizes your meetings, and yes, it can translate in real time. Whether you're in a crowded cafe or a high-stakes boardroom, this gadget captures crystal clear dialogue and even identifies who's speaking. Your conversations just got searchable, multilingual, and perfectly organized, all from your Bluetooth earphones. Next up, the DJI Flip. And no, this isn't just another drone. This is aerial cinematography reimagined. Compact, intelligent, and crafted for creators who want pro-level shots without the hassle. Imagine pulling out a device the size of your smartphone, flipping it open, and in seconds you're filming buttery smooth 4K video at 60 frames per second. But here's where the magic happens. With 6 AI-powered flight modes, this drone doesn't just follow you, it understands you. Running, it tracks your stride. Cycling, it adjusts its angles dynamically. Even in complex environments, the Flip anticipates movement, avoids obstacles, and captures cinematic angles like it has a director built in. You don't need a controller, just gesture or speak and it obeys. No GPS fuss, no bulky gear. And thanks to its ultralight frame, it falls under most regulatory limits, meaning no registration, no red tape. Whether you're vlogging in the city, hiking a mountain trail, or filming a wedding, this drone fits in your pocket and flies like a pro rig. This isn't just a drone, it's your personal aerial camera crew, ready whenever inspiration strikes. Smart lighting? That's old news. Emotional lighting? That's what the Moonside Star Bulb brings to the table in 2025. This isn't just a bulb, it's a canvas of light packed with 96 individually programmable LEDs, each one capable of displaying a different color, creating mesmerizing gradients, reactive effects, and even ambient moodscapes right in your room. Want to fall asleep under a digital galaxy? Done. Set the mood with a romantic sunset glow. Easy. Sync your lights to your music, your movie, or even your emotions. Now we're talking. And it's not just about the vibes. The Star Bulb includes studio-grade white LEDs for crisp, clear brightness when you actually need to work, focus, or film. Here's where the AI kicks in. With Matter support, it talks seamlessly to Alexa, Google Home, and Apple HomeKit. That means it learns your habits, adjusts itself based on time of day, or even pre-lights your space before you enter. No buttons needed. Imagine your lights slowly warming up as your morning alarm goes off, or shifting to soft amber as the evening winds down, all without you lifting a finger. In 2025, the Moonside Star Bulb turns every room into an intelligent environment, a space that knows how to feel just right. This is the Chill Shark, the AI-powered cold plunge system that's turning ancient wellness into next-gen recovery. In 2025, recovery isn't just a trend, it's a science. And Chill Shark brings that science to your bathroom. This sleek, powerful device connects to almost any bathtub and turns it into a precision-controlled ice bath. No messy prep, no hauling ice bags, and no guesswork. Through its smart manifold system and companion mobile app, you can dial in the exact temperature, 39 degrees Fahrenheit. Done. Want it colder? You got it. And the best part? You can schedule plunges in advance like a high-performance routine. But here's where it gets smarter. Chill Shark learns from your usage. It monitors duration, temperature preferences, and how your body responds, then offers optimized recommendations for performance, recovery, and even stress management. Whether you're an athlete chasing faster muscle repair, a biohacker looking for a cognitive edge, or just someone trying to start the day sharper, Chill Shark turns your bathroom into a personal recovery lab. And unlike traditional systems that are bulky and noisy, This unit is quiet, compact, and elegantly designed. It fits right in, without disrupting your space or your peace. The result? No more dreading ice baths. With AI fine-tuning every session, it becomes a ritual. Effortless, powerful, and deeply rejuvenating. Welcome to the future of recovery, cold, smart, and completely in your control. Hold up. If your mind's already blown, just wait. We're only halfway through. And if you're loving this future-packed ride, do us a quick favor. Hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon. Not just to support the channel, but to make sure you never miss a single update on the smartest tech shaping our world. Trust me, the next AI gadgets, they're about to take this to a whole new level. All right, let's get back into it. Next up, the Circular Ring 2, a tiny gadget that packs a hospital-grade health monitor right on your finger. It weighs less than a paperclip, but tracks more than most smartwatches. We're talking sleep apnea detection, oxygen desaturation, heart rate variability, and even SpO2 levels. All processed with AI-powered insights that tell you not just what's happening, but what to do about it. Think of it as your invisible wellness coach, working 24/7. No bulky screens, no daily charging drama, just one charge every 10 to 12 days. And yes, it's waterproof up to 100 meters. So whether you're sleeping, swimming, or sprinting, it keeps tracking, adapting, and guiding. This isn't just fitness tracking. It's real-time health optimization, disguised as a minimalist ring. Sleep. It's where recovery, memory, and peak performance begin. And in 2025, it's getting a serious AI upgrade. Introducing the Doctor. Cushion Smart Sleeping Pad, a next-gen sleep system that doesn't just support you, it learns you. With 8 levels of adaptive firmness, this pad uses real-time pressure sensors to adjust as you sleep. Side sleeper? It shifts. Back sleeper? It rebalances. Roll over at 3 a.m.? It responds instantly. But that's just the beginning. Too hot at night? Dr. Cushion's built-in cooling system keeps your body at the perfect temperature, helping you stay in deep sleep longer. And forget alarm clocks. This pad comes with massage wave wake-up modes, gently nudging you awake like a breeze instead of a blaring beep. Plus, with its night rewind feature, you can literally replay your sleep. See your posture shifts, temperature changes, and deep sleep cycles, all visualized in stunning detail, along with AI-powered suggestions to sleep better tonight than you did last night. This is more than comfort. It's intelligent rest designed to recharge your body and brain while you dream. What if your windows knew when to open, when to close, and when to let in the perfect amount of light? Welcome to the world of Madoster Smart Shades. AI-powered, solar-charged, and beautifully minimalist. Forget tangled cords, drilling, or battery replacements. Mado's tension rod system snaps into place in minutes. No tools, no hassle. And thanks to built-in solar panels, it recharges itself endlessly. You set it once, it handles the rest. But here's where the magic happens. These shades are fully Matter compatible, syncing with Alexa, Google, and Apple Home. Ever wish you could beat the heat and charge your phone at the same time? Meet FanBat, your new AI-powered summer lifesaver. It's not just a fan, it's a compact, multitasking, temperature-smart gadget that fits right in your pocket. With a flick, FanBat blasts a refreshing breeze exactly when you need it. On a sweaty commute, at the beach, or during a hike under the blazing sun. But here's where it gets smart. FanBat uses AI to detect ambient temperature and battery levels. It automatically adjusts fan speed to conserve energy or ramp up airflow when you're overheating. That means no fiddling with buttons, no guesswork. It's just cool when you need cool. And when your phone's dying? FanBat doubles as a portable power bank, juicing up your devices on the go. Earbuds, phone, even your smartwatch. Its fast-charging, ultra-portable design makes it a travel essential. One that keeps you and your tech fresh and functional. It's clever, it's cool, and in 2025, it's essential. Loving these future-ready gadgets? Drop a "I subscribed" in the comments. I read every single one. And hey, more mind-blowing tech is just ahead. Let's keep going. Last, but definitely not least, meet the Pro-Colored K8DTF printer, the AI-driven device turning everyday creators into fashion entrepreneurs. This isn't just a printer, it's your on-demand merch studio. Whether you're printing on t-shirts, hoodies, or tote bags, the K8 delivers razor-sharp, vibrant designs with real-time laser detection for flawless accuracy. No more wasted ink or ruined materials. Its white ink circulation system keeps everything running clean and smooth. And yes, it handles the messy stuff for you with an automated waste management system. You focus on the art, it handles the chaos. If you've ever dreamed of launching your own brand, side hustle, or online store, this is your tool. Fast, precise, and powered by AI. And there you have it, 10 mind-blowing AI gadgets that are already shaping life in 2025. From sleep optimization and pocket assistance to drones and smart rings, the future isn't just digital. It's wearable, livable, and unbelievably intelligent. Which one blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you haven't yet, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment saying "I subscribed." I read every single one. Stick around. Another incredible video is about to appear on your screen. Click it, watch it, and stay ahead of the future. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the age of living with AI.